This is screen replacement video of iPhone XR. This is the first time I'm doing this. What we do is turn off the phone first, volume up, volume down, and the power button. Once it's off, I'm gonna use the old star. This one has a very long screw. This has a flex on this side. You got to be careful. The camera and everything is on this side as well. What I normally do is I pry open. This tool has been with me since 2014 or 15. Try not to go into deep. This is glued everywhere. This is that. We have the triangle shaped screwdriver to unscrew these. If you can't turn off the phone, best thing to do is once you open up the screen, you need to take off the battery first so that you don't fry up the board. And move the LCD flex. And the camera flex. It's not. So there are 9 screws on the frame. Let's unscrew these. These are all the we need to remove this and the plate. And the speaker comes off pretty easily. I'm gonna apply some heat on it to remove the microphone. I'm going to remove these two. Why did I put so many tips in there? it's just a matter of putting this back in. This back. So yeah, no matter what we do, it's not going to be waterproof again. So it just slides in. Goes in there, and this has to be glued, so let's remove this back. Let's power it up and see if it's working. It turned on. Oh, good. Let's put this back again. This goes in first. And then the last bit goes in there. All done. Now to put it back, let's close this in first. This is how I replace the LCD on iPhone XR. This is all done. This was my first time doing this. I thought it would be a different stuff, but it's similar to other iPhones, so no need to worry about it. All done. Thank you for watching this video. I'll keep updating these videos frequently, so keep tuned towards how I do these stuffs, and you might learn something of it I would not recommend you doing what I do, but there's so many videos on YouTube to see how they do things. So watch a bunch of these videos and watch them as a reference and do it on your own way. That's what everybody should do. And I hope you learned something from this video. Hope it was helpful to somebody. And keep tuned in, watch some more videos. Thank you very much.